In 3 minutes I'm going to share with you how to remove the FICM on 6.0 POWERSTROKE diesel. Yeah, pretty much everything you need to know how to remove it without breaking anything. Let's get started. Fuel injection control module is located on the driver's side of the engine on the valve cover under the coolant expansion reservoir. As you can see, let's disconnect two coolant lines from the expansion tank first, like that. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. I'm using a chunk of rubber hose to loop those ends, make sure coolant won't leak out. Okay, 8mm socket to remove two 8mm bolts holding that expansion tank, and we just need to put it aside the tank to have enough room to get to the FICM from the top. Guys, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. I removed the plastic cowl panel over the wiring harness, just give myself a little bit more room to get to the FICM, like that. Pretty easy, just undo a few clips. Let's disconnect the negative battery terminals, like that. Good. Let's disconnect our mass airflow sensor, and as you can see, we have two hose clamps to remove. Undo those clamps and pull that pipe from the air filter to the turbocharger and disconnect that air filter live sensor. 10mm socket to undo those four FICM holding down bolts. Undo those ones, two on the front, two on the back, like that. Pretty simple. And on the bottom we have three connectors, and squeeze those tabs and pull the connector down. I will show you just in a second how to do it. Yep, FICM is removed. And alright, and as you can see, the FICM has three connectors. Each connector has two locking tabs on each side, and very important part, to release those locking tabs on the connectors, squeeze them in and then pull the connector down. Well, if those tabs will break, connector won't stay locked and will get loose, and then you will have problem with the FICM communication. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below, very appreciated that. And I have more troubleshooting POWERSTROKE videos, and yeah, subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. Thank you so much for your time watching this video, and take care. Bye bye.